Hello, it's Monday, May 31st, and that means two things. First, it's been like 25 years since any hat has been fashionable. What's up with that? And it's time for the lighting industry news brief brought to you by Keystone Technology and their XFit outdoor fixtures. Again, 5 wattages, mounting options, color select on the device, built-in photo cells, great for your outdoor needs. That's KeystoneTech.com. Link in the show notes, if you please. Into the news. The main port at Shenzhen was closed for 2 days. That slowed down a lot of things for exports, but there we go. The DoE has determined residential energy savings thanks to their efforts. It's 9% overall since 2018. LSI has bought JSI store fixtures. This deal went through for $90 million. Novacap has bought Globe Electric. This is a private equity firm buying a French-Canadian lighting and electrical manufacturer. The Green Lighting Alliance has been founded. This is a new supplier specifier educator group opening to new members. The DoE, once again, releasing a report about the LED supply chain and manufacturing, highlighting the need for domestic manufacturing and supply. Velodyne LiDAR has won the Smart 50 Award from Smart Cities Connect. Samsung has introduced a new LED package. This is a mid-power chip with a new level, a new record for efficiency. Bulbs.com has posted a profitable quarter. Sales are up 21% compared to last year. Justin Wendt was on Get a Grip on Lighting. Check out that episode. Rich Kelly grant is open for submission. If you're a lighting designer under 25, you may qualify for some cash. Thin Air Energy has a blue light detector. It's a little thing. It's a device called Geiger. Doesn't do what a Geiger counter does, but it does detect how harsh the blue light coming off a light source or how effective your blue light glasses might be. Hubble will be issuing dividends again this quarter, 98 cents per share. Velodyne board members, 3 members of the board, have been complaining about a new appointee, and it's causing some stir, but Velodyne, the company, has tried to claim that the new appointee's doing just fine. Retrolux and Light Efficient Design are partnering up. Their whole catalog is now on their software. AtCore is now on RepFiles. Those are the NEMRA apps. Lumileds has a new sustainability agenda. This is a framework for and priorities for reducing waste. And the SLL president, Dr. Ruth Kelly Waskett, is calling for more diversity and inclusion in the lighting industry. In legal news, Link has sued Samsung. Their LED lighting system may be being used in Samsung displays. Scandium has filed a patent for manufacturing high-purity alumina. This is a process under review. San Antonio bookkeeper has committed wire fraud. $1.2 million in city funds were funneled into their spouse's outdoor lighting business. This is a tangent, but it's a juicy tangent, so we're keeping it. Current has received a new patent for manganese-doped phosphors. The Javits Center will not be changing its capacity limits until the fall, so Lightfair might have a little more elbow room in it than you remember. The IES and the PNNL are planning summer webinars. These are 4 presentations on the theme of meeting the moment. Florence Lamb will present on the new normal of human-centric lighting on the 10th of June. And Lutron and Light Controls in Healthcare. This is 2 days of workshops on June 2nd and 3rd. You can still sign up right now. In market predictions, LED packaging will reach $22 million by 2026. Energy retrofit systems market will reach just under $200 million by 2027. IoT for retail is set for 19% growth. LED controllers market will grow by 10%. The specialty lighting market will reach $8 billion over the next 6 years. Price hikes right now are going to drive $7 billion into our industry just this quarter. Emergency lighting is set for 7% in growth, and LED components will reach $14 billion in activity by 2027. In recommended reading, all these links are available on nail.org. Check us out. Case study, we have McWan installing a large-scale Bluetooth mesh network in Minnesota. We have Lighting Europe on confronting product compliance online. The WIL has dropped an entire interview series. We have a question of whether or not field-adjustable LEDs qualify for rebates. The NBI offering a guide on comfort and energy in offices. a discussion of how buildings will actually get smart, a case study of a French business park connecting 14 buildings over Bluetooth, and the future of landlord-tenant relations in a connected world. And I just gotta ask what's really going on with Deco and Sam Sanai. There's an interview with Edison report that seems to be much rosier than what's really going on based on the numbers that Inside Lighting is reporting, and I'm just curious. I may have to follow up on this. In IoT news, Lighting Controls Association has released their 2021 product guide. Houston has built a better bulb. This is a low blue phosphor. The LRC students have begun to print lighting components. These are 3D printed fixtures. It's a new project. They're looking for partners. Monash U is plotting how to pump blue light into shift workers for alertness. Horticultural news, we have Hydro Farm acquiring House and Garden for $125 million. The IDA has recognized Creststone, Colorado as a dark sky community. We have a study linking shift workers to endometriosis. And Monash U right back with a light-based method for predicting circadian phase delayed sleep-wake phase disorder. This is an assessment, and you can read it now. In local news, British Columbia homeowners may be eligible for $5,600 in efficiency grants. The governor of Minnesota has a new Conservation and Energy Act. The Eiffel Tower is switching their lighting to hydrogen power. Pittsburgh is going to upgrade 35,000 street lamps. An Arkansas school district has saved $6 million after their upgrades. Greenville Light and Power is set to increase their rates. Glendale, California has a new light sculpture you can look at. Dallas, Texas will be requiring more exterior lighting at convenience stores. Olympia, Washington has won a state efficiency grant. Bradford, Ontario is offering grants to downtown businesses for improvements, including exterior lighting. Leicester has gone smart with their outdoor lighting. A courthouse in Saipan is the first facility to feature 222 nanometer disinfection systems. And in weirdness, we have Louis Paulson sending lighting to the moon. We have Northwestern U grads using light pulses to change mouse habits. These are pulsing LEDs fitted directly to the brain that will force mice to bond if you synchronize them. You can make a heartbeat sensing wall hexagon. You can build a lithophane moon lamp. We can create a UV display. It writes on glow-in-the-dark materials. We have Tedison launching a new UV face mask that will kill 99% of microbes. And how to modify an existing LED to work with hue without having to buy Philips bulbs. In People News, Tracy White has stepped down from the ILP. Grow Generation has appointed Paul Rutness as CMO. And Pia Strangerup is now the CEO of LEDI Bond. Thank you. I've been Scott Wachter. Thank you to Nail to get associated, to get educated. Thank you to Keystone. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing this with your friends if you do. Enjoy the music. Enjoy your week.